Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of Sapienza University of Rome in Italy. So do not miss the opportunity to apply in this prestigious university. So I will guide you the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, go to the official website of Sapienza University of Rome. I will share the link in the description, so you can go directly to that page. So first of all, you have to read all the information that is given here. Scroll down. So here is the program's description and requirements. Firstly, let's talk about its deadline. So for non-EU visa seeking candidates, its deadline is May 15, 2026, and all other candidates, here is July 31st, 2026. You must read important information that is given here and then start your application. First of all, you have to log in. If you are a first time user, then you have to register yourself. If you have already an account, then you can log in with the email and password. So I have already made an account, so I am just entering my email and password and login. After logging in, a page like this will open. There are three steps. First is information. So you must read all the information, and then second is applications. So here is the application form. You have to fill all the required fields. The first one is information. Read all the information here and move to the next step. Next is preliminary data. Click on it. So in preliminary data, the first is, do you need a visa? So click on yes. Next, enter your nationality. Do you have a second nationality? If yes, then click on yes. So if you have no, then click on no. Next, current country of residence. Choose your current country and then move to the next step. Next is program choice. Click on it. In program choice, you have to choose your program for which you are applying. The first is program type. I am choosing masters. Next, you choose your program. I have chosen biochemistry and then intake 2026 and move to the next. Next step is personal details. Here you have to enter your personal details, including your first name, last name, and then gender. Then you have to upload your passport or ID card, then enter your passport or ID card number, then enter your date of birth, city of birth, and then country of birth. After that, enter your contact details, for example, email, mobile number, current address, then current city and current postal code. Fill all the information accurately and move to the next. The next step is language. Click on it. Here you have to enter your mother tongue language and then your English level. You can choose it advanced or good. And then upload English language certificate in file PDF form. After uploading the certificate, move to the next. Next step is education. In education, you have to enter the details of your secondary education. Enter your high school name, high school diploma plus transcript, then your educational system, high school diploma GPA, then enter the scale. And similarly, enter the detail of your higher education, your bachelor's degree name, your bachelor's degree duration, and then institution name, and then enter your graduation date, your GPA, and then enter your scale, and then upload the transcript of your bachelor's degree. And after that, Select your field of studies. After that, you can upload your additional documents. If you have any additional document like an exam test or any certificate, then must upload here. Then move to the next. The next step is professional experience. Do you have any professional experience? If yes, then click on yes and then enter the detail of your professional experience. So you have to enter your experience, duration, company, sector, country, and then description. If no, then simply click on no. And then you have to upload your CV. It is good that the CV should be Europass and authentic. So upload the file of your CV and then move to the next. Next is motivations. In this step, please briefly describe why you are applying for this program. So maximum word limit is 250. Remember, it should not be copy paste. They have the tools to detect it. So write it yourself. Scroll down. How did you hear about Sapienza, this program? So you can choose any of them. I have choose educations.com and then move to the next. Next is recommendation. In recommendation, you have to enter the detail of the referee. This section is not mandatory and you have to upload only one referee form. So if you have any reference letter, so you can add here and then move to the next. Next is application fee. So its application fee is 30 euro. So you have to pay your fee. To pay the application fee, please follow the instructions contained in this document. You can click on the link and see the information and details about payment, and then you have to upload the fee receipt. So to pay the fee, click on that link. Here you have to fill this form, enter your name, surname, country, address, email, and then Italian number. If not, then click on anonymous. Then enter city, zip code, street number, mobile number, payment reason, and its payment is 30 euro. Then read and accept. And then click on the start online payment. After clicking on this, there will be the option of credit or debit card and other payment sources as well. So you can pay your fee from here and move to the back. So after your payment is done, you have to upload the fee receipt. For that, you have to print payment slip from here and then you can upload the receipt here. Now move to the next. Next and last step is final submission. In final submission, I certify that information provided in this application form is accurate, canine, and complete to the best. So click on yes. Scroll down and I certify that I have completed at least 15 years of prior studies. And then click on yes. I am applying on behalf of a third party. Click on no. If yes, then you can choose yes. I declare that I have created only one pre-selection account to my name. Click on yes. And then you can do your final submission here. Please ensure that your application must be accurate and authentic. And then submit your application. So that's it. You are done with applying to the Sapienza University of Rome. Sapienza University of Rome is one of the best universities in Italy. and even in the world. So must apply in this prestigious university and study in Italy. So that's all. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe.